Woodworking is a timeless craft that combines creativity with functionality, and it can also be a lucrative venture. For those looking to embark on a woodworking project with the potential for high profits, there are numerous ideas to explore. The beauty of wood lies not only in its natural aesthetics, but also in its versatility, allowing artisans to create a wide range of products that appeal to various markets. This text will delve into several cool wooden craft project ideas that can be profitable when executed with skill and creativity. Hello there. Welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of cool wooden craft project ideas for high profit selling. You can use for your home, office, or patio decor. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. One of the most popular wooden craft projects that can yield high profits is the creation of custom furniture. Items such as coffee tables, dining tables, and bookshelves are always in demand. The key to standing out in this market is to offer unique designs that cater to specific tastes. For instance, incorporating live edge techniques, where the natural edge of the wood is preserved, can create stunning pieces that attract attention. Additionally, offering customizable options, such as size, color, and finish, can further enhance appeal. High-quality craftsmanship combined with a personal touch can lead to significant profit margins. Another lucrative idea is crafting wooden home decor items. These can range from wall art to decorative shelves. Wooden signs with personalized messages or quotes are particularly popular for home decoration and can be marketed through social media platforms like Instagram and Pinterest, where visuals play a crucial role in attracting customers. Additionally, creating seasonal decor items, such as wooden ornaments for holidays or themed decorations for various occasions, can keep your offerings fresh and appealing throughout the year. For those interested in smaller projects, consider making wooden kitchenware. Items such as cutting boards, serving trays, and utensil holders are not only practical but also highly sought after. A unique selling proposition could be to focus on sustainable materials, such as reclaimed wood or bamboo, which can attract environmentally conscious consumers. Engaging in the art of wood burning or engraving designs onto kitchen items can add a personal touch, making them perfect for gifts or special occasions. Another exciting avenue is the production of wooden toys. There has been a resurgence in the demand for handcrafted toys due to growing concerns about plastic and its impact on the environment. Wooden toys are not only durable, but also safe for children. Crafting educational toys that promote learning through play can be particularly appealing to parents. Building blocks, puzzles, and simple games made from high-quality wood can command premium prices, especially if they feature unique designs or themes. Pet products represent another niche market with high profit potential. Wooden pet beds, feeding stations, and toys are increasingly popular among pet owners who want stylish and durable options for their furry friends. Customizing these products to fit specific pet sizes or offering personalized engravings can enhance their marketability. Additionally, creating eco-friendly pet products using sustainable materials can attract a growing demographic of environmentally conscious pet owners. Garden and outdoor decor items are also worth considering. Wooden planters, birdhouses, and garden benches can appeal to homeowners looking to enhance their outdoor spaces. Creating unique designs that blend functionality with aesthetics can set your products apart from mass-produced alternatives. Engaging in seasonal projects, such as crafting holiday-themed outdoor decorations or functional garden tools, can help maintain consistent sales throughout the year. For those looking to tap into the tech-savvy market, consider creating wooden accessories for electronics. Items such as phone stands, tablet holders, and laptop docks can be both functional and visually appealing. By integrating technology with craftsmanship, you can attract customers who appreciate both style and practicality. Offering customization options, such as personalized engravings, can further enhance the appeal of these products. Collaborating with local artisans or businesses can open up new opportunities for profit. For instance, Partnering with local cafes or boutiques to showcase your wooden crafts can increase visibility and attract new customers. Additionally, participating in craft fairs or markets allows you to connect directly with potential buyers while building a community around your work. Marketing plays a crucial role in the success of any woodworking project aimed at high profits. Establishing an online presence through social media platforms and an e-commerce website can help reach a broader audience. High-quality photographs showcasing your products from various angles can entice customers and convey the craftsmanship behind each piece. Engaging storytelling about the inspiration behind your creations can also resonate with potential buyers. Networking within the woodworking community can provide valuable insights and opportunities for collaboration. Joining local woodworking clubs or online forums allows you to share experiences, learn from others, and gain inspiration for new projects. Additionally, attending woodworking expos or trade shows can help you stay updated on industry trends while connecting with suppliers and potential customers. As you embark on your woodworking journey aimed at high profits, remember that quality should always take precedence over quantity. Building a reputation for exceptional craftsmanship will lead to repeat customers and positive word-of-mouth referrals. Investing time in honing your skills and exploring new techniques will not only enhance your product offerings, but also contribute to your growth as an artisan. In conclusion, the world of woodworking offers a plethora of opportunities for creative individuals seeking high-profit ventures. From custom furniture to unique home decor items, the possibilities are endless. By focusing on quality craftsmanship, innovative designs, and effective marketing strategies, you can turn your passion for woodworking into a successful business venture. Whether you're creating functional kitchenware or stunning jewelry pieces, each project has the potential to resonate with customers seeking something special, something handcrafted with care and creativity. With dedication and perseverance, you can carve out a niche in this rewarding craft while enjoying the satisfaction of bringing beautiful wooden creations into people's lives. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked wood furniture and wooden decorative pieces ideas you can use for your home, office, or patio decor. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.